Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your profile in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it, and here in this page you can just press on edit profile. And after that you will be able to see your profile here. Basically this is also your CV, so everything that is completed here acts also as your CV. And if you want to download everything here, you can just look at the top of your right corner. There you will see an eye symbol, and right next to it you can see an arrow pointing downwards. You can just press on it and you can see that the download will begin shortly. And the download has been just completed as a form of your CV basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.